Well, hello, lovely people out there on the interwebs. Welcome to this first tea time fix it video. So, yeah, this is inspired by one of my YouTubers that I love, absolutely love watching. Just to show you, lovely cup of coffee. Yeah, his name is My Mate is Vince, and he is one of these channels that will basically take anything apart. He really doesn't care what he takes apart. He will give a go at anything, and that's what I love about him. I love watching his videos. Um, I've watched him since he was known as the Nintendo killer, Nintendo Switch killer. He's lost that name now, so yeah, he's just known as My Mate Vince. But yeah, he's an absolutely brilliant channel. Hence the reason I'm doing this video. So he has inspired me to do this because I have mentioned on other videos and other clips that my welding mask was absolutely knackered. It's been good to me. It's a Clarke welding mask, a reactor mask, so it reacts to the light. As soon as you start welding, it goes dark. So on the mask, you have high low settings. It goes from 9 to 13 and then to grind, basically. When I'm changing the dial, which is here, that dial there, when I'm changing that dial, it doesn't really make any difference to what it's doing. It does go a little bit darker and it goes a little bit lighter, but all I'm seeing basically is like a matchstick that's a light. It's just like a little dark, very tiny, dim lit light. And yeah, so it is reacting, but it's reacting not in a way where I can see anything. So again, hence this video. So yeah, I looked online to look for a replacement helmet. I can buy a replacement helmet for around about 20-25 pound. Anything upwards, up from about, I don't know, I think the dearest one I see was about 300 odd pound. It was like very expensive. Anyway, I digress. So back to this one. I then went back online. Instead of looking for a helmet, I went looking for one of these components. This is a part at the moment, but this all comes as one basically. This black bit here fits on that there. I will pick it up and show you in a minute. Yeah, so you can buy them replacement for about £12.80, I think I found, but that was on the Evil Bay. So yeah, as we know, it's evil. So yeah, I then thought to myself, okay, I've got nothing to lose. Let's take it apart and find out what exactly is wrong with it, because I don't remember where I read, but I read somewhere that this has a battery inside. Now I was a bit dubious with that because if I just flip this over, as you can see, it's solar panelled. Yeah. So then I thought, well, what's it need a battery for? Why does it need a battery? So I sort of went back to, I was going to buy a replacement unit. But then again, I thought to myself, okay, if I'm going to buy a replacement unit, I might as well still take it apart and see how it works. Because like my mate Vince, I do like seeing how things work. This was glued. It was like a super glue all the way around. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. Can you see that white line going all the way around the outer edge of this? That's like some sort of glue they use, super glue, whatever. So it was a little bit difficult getting it apart, but it did manage to get apart. When I got it apart, I found this guy inside, which was here. Again, that was either soldered on, or like they do like a spot weld on it, as you can see there. Can you see them bumps there? So I had to like sort of get a flathead screwdriver and just get that off basically. I just wiggled it off. But yeah, I used a multimeter on them. They're 3 volts. I do believe they're CR2430s. CR2430s. And lo and behold, they're the most expensive ones, of course. So I need 2 of them. Obviously, I think I might have some heat shrink. I will have a look for some heat shrink wrapping, so we can basically make what they've made here. Basically, it's just a bit of plastic around the two, just to keep them together. Yeah. All I was going to do was just use some insulation tape, just pull it really tight, and then just wrap it around the two things and then get it back in there. Once I got it back in there, again, all I was going to do was just chuck some tape around it, or maybe a cable tie, something like that, to keep these two prongs together, because I haven't got a spot welder, I haven't got anything like that. I have got a soldering gun, but to get to this bottom tab here, I'd have to take this circuit board out, and this circuit board is plastic welded in. So again, I don't want to do that. I just thought it'd be easier just to tape these together and shove them in there, see if this reacts a lot better than what it did. And I'll be able to show you that on camera and show you how it was reacting, if it still reacts the same way. Hopefully with these new batteries, it won't. So yeah, I'm going to fast forward the quickness of putting this all together. Once I've put all this together, I will slow the video down, obviously, and we'll see if it works together. I'll put it up on a light. I've got a very bright light in this kitchen, so we'll be able to see if it's reacting the way it should be reacting. So yeah, fingers crossed. Let's get this camera rolling. Do apologise, I did forget to put my mate Vince's website in here. So let's just give you a quick look. There you go, my mate's Vince. Like I said, he is very good on what he does. Okay, let's get this going. Success!
need 99 hands to, let me see if I can just put that there for a minute. Balance, you lovely people, stay there. Whoa, don't move. Oh, let me see if I can just adjust this. There you go. See it going darker? Oh, what's going on? Oh, I see. Right, there we go, ready? That's the low setting. That's grind. So that's low setting, that's like 13. And then we've gone up to 9 and we can see the result. So there we go. You lovely people out there on the interwebs. Nice fix. All done. So we'll get this put back together. Oh. Right, this part here, I'm not going to glue it together or anything like that, because when it goes together it all gets held in by this basically, so I don't think there's any point of re-gluing this. So the only thing I am a little bit dubious about is where that battery is. I might just stick a bit of tape around here just to keep all this nice and closed, so it keeps pressure on that battery. Let's just have a quick look and see what's happening with it. It seems fine, still connected. So yeah, we're going to roll with that. As you can see, it all still goes back together. So we're going to roll with that. I'm going to have a quick swig of a lovely cup of coffee, and we'll get this put back together and working. Bring you lovely people straight back. Okay, you lovely people, let's see if it works. I'm going to do this. Oh, there we go. That'll do for now. Oh, go if I turned it on, eh? Just going to bring this a little bit closer. Hold on, wait a minute. Right, there we go. Right, let's see if this will work like this. Right. Oh, look at that. You can still see what you're doing. Excellent. Success. There we go. Lovely. Victory! Right, there you go, you lovely people. Nice, easy fix. Hope you enjoyed your tea or coffee, whatever you had when you was watching this vid. Please know that I appreciate everyone that watches my videos. Much love to all of you out there that do watch my videos. Peace to all, love to all. Keep safe. Thumbs up, like and subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, I did forget to mention, I bought these batteries from a local shop. Please, please, please start buying stuff back from your local shops, because otherwise we're just giving our money away. So yeah, be happy. See you lovely people soon on the next one.